अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों एंड प्यारे बच्चों के साथ जो कोई देख रहे हैं वो भी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग आवर फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड फॉर लाइकिंग इट एंड फॉर शेयरिंग इट। जितना ज्यादा आप लोग देखेंगे उतना ज्यादा मैं और भी ज्यादा वीडियोस बनाऊंगी और हम इंशाल्लाह और भी ज्यादा बुक्स इकट्ठे पढ़ेंगे। अच्छा, द स्टोरी दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड टुडे इज कॉल्ड थिंग्स दैट गो बम्प इन द डे बाय टोनी रॉस. Tony Ross is one of the writers who's written a lot of very good books, hopefully books that we're going to read together, quite a lot. This particular book is a compilation of numerous stories. I hope to read all of them with you. There are favorites here in our household and I think that you will really, really like them too. So these are stories for the very young, selected and edited by Sally Grindley and illustrated by Tony Goff. So anyway, the story that we're going to read today, I'm not sure if it's Tony Goff or Tony Joff, but we'll go with it. The story that we're going to read today is called Things That Go Bump in the Day by Tony Ross. Foggy was a little ghost. Now, you have to promise me not to get scared, okay? This story is for brave kids. So Foggy was a little ghost who lived with his mom and dad at the top of a spooky old house. Foggy was only born about 500 years ago, so he was a very young ghost. 500 years ago. How old are you? 500 years old? I don't think so. But Foggy was 500 years old. And for ghosts, 500 years old is young. So, आपकी एज का था, ठीक है? He had lived in lots of places, including a castle. But this was the best. So he loved the house where he lived now the best. Ghost families like spooky old places because they make them feel safe. So spooky old places don't make us feel safe, but they make ghosts feel safe. This one had lots of bats and spiders for pets. Do you have pets? I have pets. I have 2 cats. Maybe I'll show you their pictures as well. But Foggy had bats and spiders for pets. There were woodlice too, but they make rotten pets. You can't teach them anything, and they are not very playful. Pets should be playful, right? Foggy nearly taught a woodlouse to sit up and beg, but it kept falling on its back and kicking its legs in the air. So basically, some people like to teach their pets tricks. Cats can jump high and dogs can sit and beg and dogs can shake their hand. Different animals can do different tricks. Now Foggy wanted to teach a woodlouse but he wouldn't learn the tricks. He would keep on falling back and then kicking his legs. जैसे कभी-कभी होता है ना, कैटरपिलर गिर जाता है तो फिर वो टांगे ऐसे-ऐसे करता है, या मैंगो बग गिरता है तो फिर वो ऐसे-ऐसे टांगे करता है. That is what the woodlouse used to do. So Foggy didn't enjoy teaching him tricks. Foggy loved being a ghost, but sometimes life got a little boring. Do you sometimes get bored too? Especially now when we can't go out much because of Corona. There are not many things a ghost can do. Then Foggy found a book of ghost stories and things began to get better. Just like we love reading stories, right? And things begin to get better. Whenever we're reading stories, we become very happy. The first story was about a ghost who walked through walls. That would be a fab thing to do, said Foggy to a creepy slug. Slug ek kida makoda hota hai. And he walked bonk into a wall. So did Foggy manage to go through the wall? No, he bumped bonk into the wall. All he did though was bump his nose. Shouldn't believe everything you read, giggled the creepy slug. The next story was about a ghost who walked all over a house shouting, "Ooh!" and waving his hands in the air and jumping out of dark places. Foggy thought that was a silly way to behave, but he couldn't get the story out of his mind. होता है ना, हम कोई स्टोरी सुनते हैं, then we keep on thinking and thinking and thinking about it, and we want to do the same things. So Foggy thought maybe he will try doing what the ghost did in the story. There was a whole house beyond the dusty rooms where Foggy lived. Maybe wandering through that, going ooh, would be less boring than teaching woodlice to sit up and beg. That morning, when it was time to go to sleep, now see, we sleep at night time, but since Foggy is a ghost, so he was going to sleep in the morning. That morning, when it was time to go to sleep, Foggy's mom gave him a cobweb sandwich and a glass of slime. Ugh. But remember, he's a ghost, so he likes cobweb sandwiches and glasses full of slime. Do you like glasses full of slime to drink? No. I hope you drink milk. Milk is very healthy for you, but slime is healthy for ghosts. Then she tucked him into bed. Mum, said Foggy, what's it like in the rest of the house? Are there any dark places? Now remember, ghosts like dark places. Mum kissed Foggy on the bump at the end of his nose. Don't you dare go into the rest of the house, she warned. The rest of the house is a terrible place. Your dad went there once and said it was really scary. He said it was horribly clean and smelt of soap. With sunlight all over the place and lots of knobs on everything. She shuddered. Now you remember that Foggy is a ghost, so he likes dark places. We like light places which are bright, and we like clean places. Is your house clean? Do you make sure that your house is clean? Yes. Do ghosts like clean places? No. Do you wash your hands with soap lots and lots of times properly so that all the germs and all the nasties come off? Yes. Foggy didn't do that because he was a ghost. So his mum said, it's terrible if the house is clean and it smells of soap. So don't you go there. Foggy curled up and pretended to go to sleep. The rest of the house sounded exciting, just like an adventure in a book. When he was sure his mum and dad were asleep, Foggy got up. Naughty, naughty Foggy. देखो मामा ने मना भी किया था. Foggy ने बात नहीं सुनी ना, and he's pretending to be asleep. Very naughty. Let's find out what happens. He went to the door and making himself very small, he slithered through the keyhole into the rest of the house. अब समझ आया हुआ क्या? Mom and Dad fell asleep. Mom gave Foggy a sandwich and told him to sleep, and she kissed him good night, and then he pretended to sleep, but he didn't really sleep. When Mom and Dad went to sleep, he made himself tiny and slithered. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Keyhole होती है जिसमें चाबी लगती है दरवाजे में, उसके अंदर से Foggy छोटा सा होके निकल गया. अब कहाँ चला गया? Foggy वहाँ चला गया जहाँ मामा ने कहा था नहीं जाना, in the rest of the house. ठीक है? Foggy floated at the top of some stairs. It was true what Mom had said. The house was horribly light with a funny smell. That must be soap, shivered Foggy. So he didn't like the smell of soap. Slowly, he went down the stairs. He hovered in the air a little because there was sticky, furry stuff spread all over the floor. What was that prickly, furry, tickly, furry stuff? Carpets. हमारे floors पे होते हैं ना carpets, and we walk on the carpet and we feel that they feel nice because they're nice and soft. But Foggy didn't like them, so he didn't walk. He flew in the air. He was hovering क्योंकि वो ये नहीं चाह रहा था कि उसको carpet touch हो. He looked around for a friendly bat, even for a woodlouse, but there weren't any. Even the creepies daren't come into this awful place, he said to himself. So he found the place to be awful. He didn't like it. With bated breath, the little ghost floated along the landing. Landing वो जगह होती है जहाँ सीढ़ियों के बीच वाली जो जगह होती है, ठीक है? सीढ़ियाँ जहाँ खत्म होती हैं या सीढ़ियों के बीच वाली जगह. His heart pounded inside him. So he was scared, and he was far too I missed a page. No, I didn't. Sorry. With bated breath, the little ghost floated along the landing. His heart pounded inside him. Tuk, 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 and he was far too frightened to go. Ooh! तो यार ओरिजिनली तो फॉगी ने सबको डराना था, लेकिन एक्चुअली कौन डर गया? फॉगी खुद डर गया. तो फॉगी ने तो करना नहीं था. फॉगी खामोशी से जा रहा है. फॉगी इज थिंकिंग, नो, पता नहीं कहाँ गया हूँ. Foggy wasn't a particularly brave ghost, and by now he was getting really scared. The rest of the house wasn't a good place. देखो नहीं जाना चाहिए था ना. Foggy की मामा ने मना किया था, फिर भी चला गया. अब he doesn't like it there. मामा की बात सुन लेता. Foggy turned to go back the way he'd come. Then he saw it. If he'd had a skin, he'd have jumped right out of it. It was horrible. What does this mean? He got very, very, very scared. He's a ghost, so he doesn't have any skin. But if he had skin, he would have jumped out of it. का मतलब है कि वो इतना डर जाता कि छलांग मार देता. Let's find out what happened. It was very big, and it was lumbering along, clutching a small model of itself. What was it? It had blue eyes with hairs all around them. Hairs all around the eyes. हमारी eyelashes होती है ना? And matted yellow hair hung in twists down its back. Worst of all, when it opened its mouth to snarl, it showed fearsome white fangs. वो क्या होते हैं? Teeth. Ghosts के तो teeth नहीं होते ना? So this little creature who was holding a smaller model of herself. So it was a little girl who was holding a doll who looked just like her, and she showed her teeth. And it smelled of soap. Foggy reeled. Back along the landing he fled. Foggy भाग गया, waving his arms in the air and shouting, "Ooh!" Why was he shouting that? Because he was scared. Up the stairs, through the keyhole to where his mom and dad sat up in bed, weakened by all the commotion. तो mom and dad भी जाग गए थे. इतना शोर मचाया Foggy ने. "Mom!" shouted Foggy. "I've seen a little girl." "Don't be silly," said Mom, cuddling her son. Mom ने प्यार किया Foggy को. There's no such thing as little girls. The end. तो क्या हुआ बच्चों? हमने क्या सीखा? कि जब मामा कहीं जाने से मना करें तो वहां नहीं जाना, क्योंकि वो अच्छी जगह नहीं है. If you're a ghost, तब भी अच्छी जगह नहीं है. If you're a kid, तब भी अच्छी जगह नहीं. अगर मामा बाबा ने कह दिया किसी जगह नहीं जाना, तो फिर नहीं जाना. जब जाएंगे तो मजा भी नहीं आएगा, है ना? तो यही बात पता चली Foggy को. अब हम ह्यूमंस कहते हैं there is no such thing as ghosts. No, ghost की मामास कहती हैं there is no such thing as little girls. So Foggy learned that if he was to go somewhere, when his mama told him not to go, he'll get in lots and lots of trouble. And it will not be fun for him, right? So I think that's a lesson that he will remember, and that's a lesson that we also need to remember. And we should always ask our parents before we go somewhere, and we should always preferably go with our parents. या घर में कोई और पड़ा. आपके पेरेंट्स हैं तो वो ठीक है, आपकी नानो दादो हैं तो ठीक है, नाना या दादा हैं, चाचा ताया मामू मामी खाला पुप्पो, कोई ऐसे लोग जिनको आप ट्रस्ट करते हो. अकेले नहीं कहीं चले जाना, ठीक है ना? I hope that you guys enjoyed this story, and please join me again for when we read another story. Tell Mama to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I hope to tell you another story real soon, inshallah. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.